So I picked up the carpet the other day and we got it installed today. Thank you very much to Andrew and Scott. This is the old carpet and we've got some spare new carpet as well. So have a look at what we've got. So I've just been through the gatehouse, gave them all the paperwork, and the guy was like, do you have boots and high vis on? Well, I have boots on. These are my boots. They're just rubber, but I thought they'd be fine. Didn't have high vis, and he's like, that not good enough. So he's given me this high vis jacket and these shoes. So my feet slip in really easily. They're miles too big, but if that makes the guy happy, then so be it. I'm wondering if that is the roll of carpet that we're picking up. Can't tell how long it is at the moment from this point, but it's supposed to be nearly 4 meters. So let's wait and see. Okay, I've returned the shoes and high vis vest, and I've tied down the carpet. We had to leave the pallet behind, but there's the carpet, secure and ready to go to Griff's place. The carpet has arrived safely, and I need to say a very special thank you to Lauren and Jim for letting us borrow their trailer. Would have cost a lot of money to have it delivered and a little bit less to hire a truck, and they've saved us even more. So thank you guys. It's really hard to believe that there used to be a fireplace right here. So the carpet was the last puzzle piece to go into hiding that spot. And next we're going to be able to put our machines in. So they'll make their way into this room and the next, as they are playable, ready for you to come in and enjoy. We've also had an opportunity to shine a UV torch onto the carpet, and we're pretty excited about the way it glows. So these rooms are now, the big part's basically done, and now it's just the small furnishings ready to go.